and I'm going to have this without any sort of bread. Just directly, let's just dig into it. Let's break it. Ooh, just look at that, guys. It's so fresh. Oh hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So it's a Friday and I think there's a bit of noise here, but let's make do with what we have. So I'll be honest guys, I wanted to start today's vlog a little bit earlier since it's the weekend, but I just woke up a little before Jummah prayers, and then I just felt lazy today guys, so I was just relaxing at home, and now it's dinner time. But we're here at a very interesting restaurant. It was called Red Rooster earlier, and they have peri peri style chicken, and now it's changed and now it's become a Turkish restaurant called Turkish Sofra. But they still have the peri peri chicken, and that's what we're here to try today. Now I have no idea what to expect because I've never tried this place before, but I love peri peri chicken. So half chicken with fries and drink is for 38, but then if you have Zomato Pro, then you get like an additional, I think 20% off, so it comes to around 30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my Zomato Pro link in the description below, and if you're ever visiting Dubai, you can actually get the Pro membership and avail discounts to a lot of places, and you can use my link below to get your membership. For now, I'm just waiting for the food. Let's see how it is. Check this out guys. Wow, that looks really good. Just look at that chicken. See? And then check this out. We have 2 chicken pieces right there. Wow. Full marks because this is freshly prepared peri fries with it, which are literally my favorite ever. And then they've given me some extra hot sauce, some ketchup, something called, it's like a Turkish raita called cücük. Then there's some spicy tomato paste and some hummus as well. And all of this is included in the meal along with the bread, which is also, it's nice. It's not like very hot, but it's good, looks fresh. And then there's a soft drink included in the deal as well, which is pretty good actually. And now let's judge the main thing, which is the taste. Let's do it. Let's try. But I'm going to dip it in some of that hot sauce first. Wow, it's very different. It's not like Nando's or your usual peri peri. It truly tastes like Turkish peri peri, but in a very good way. Check this out guys, check out this chicken, it's so fresh. Let's just have some of that without the bread first. Oh my god. But you know what, that Turkish bread is so good that I would rather have it with the Turkish bread. Okay, now let's continue eating because this is absolutely amazing. And now I'm going to try it with some of the other things that came, like the tomato sauce looks really yummy. So let's grab some of that bread. The tomato sauce is good, but I don't think it really matches with the taste of the chicken. The hot sauce of the chicken, that's what you gotta go for. And this bread is so good, guys. Wow, amazing. Make sure you ask for this hot sauce when you come here, because this, wow. I've ordered the hot flavor today, but it's not like super duper hot. It's good. And these peri fries, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take a big bite now this time, and I'm gonna dip it in this sauce. It's called jijik or something. Let's see. Let's see how that tastes. It's basically like yogurt, like raita. Again, not something that would go with peri peri, but the chicken itself and this hot sauce, really good. Let's eat my favorite piece, which is the leg and thigh piece. And I'm going to have this without any sort of bread. Just directly, let's just dig into it. Let's break it. Oh, just look at that, guys. It's so fresh. Alright, so we are done with the food, guys, and the total bill is 38, but if you pay from Zomato, then you get, so this will become 30, and I think for 30 this meal was absolute value for money. So the taste is amazing, the ambience is great, it's great value for money, and the location is also really good. This is very close from Mall of the Emirates, so it's in Barsha. This was like a fusion of Turkish plus peri peri into its own flavor, which was actually quite amazing. I'll definitely be coming back here to have this more often, and yes, I do recommend. Yeah, alright, so that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you next time with another one. Till then, take very good care of yourselves, stay safe, take care, bye bye.